I want to ask you, Michael, with AI handling more technical tasks every day, what do you believe makes human communication our last and greatest competitive edge?
Well, here's the thing. For decades, we've had what would be called perhaps a knowledge economy. In other words, the people who seem to be in demand, the skills that were in demand were technical skills. So what happens? Artificial intelligence is going to be is already taking care of those technical tasks. And as a result, I don't mean to create any concern here in your audience, but I might as well be forthright. This is the truth, that layers of middle management are going to disappear. And what happens then is you're going to get organizations flattening. You're going to see, with no middle, or not the same kind of middle, you're going to see more higher ups coming together with the frontline workers like this, or maybe it's more like this, I guess, maybe better, like that, right? Since higher up, let me see if I can do it. Like that. And you're going to have both groups engaged in meaningful discussions that are generally going to be more about innovative projects. Because that is the thinking. If AI is taking care of the technical tasks, then companies are now freed up to talk more about innovation, and leaders ostensibly are being freed up to get to know their people more as human beings. The question, of course, is, though, in the real world, if AI does in fact free up some time, are the leaders really going to use it that way? Are they going to really use it to get to know, spend more time? Hey, Shaq, how was your weekend? I hear your parents aren't doing well, or I understand, are you taking any trips? That kind of thing, just human to human. Or is it just going to get swallowed up in the course of the day? And it's incumbent on leaders to learn how to do this, because there's going to be a whole lot of stuff happening. There's going to be a lot of data out there, first of all, that possibly shouldn't even be out there. But leaders have to be able to help the employees to cope with this and to understand that it might be a more intense world. I don't mean to, I sound like a bit of an alarmist here, but it is going to be the biggest upheaval that we have seen in decades. This is an innovation. This version of AI that is on the level, I would argue, of the car, the automobile, and maybe other innovations. And what does that mean?